Ari ka ng punerarya, o army ka, o 1 million yan. O kapgo ka, o, lalo na pulis. Pag 1 million, sigurado. Kung sabi lang warrant, lasing-lasingan ka lang yan. Kung hindi mo yung bulyawan.
Thank you, sir.
Ano pa? Last.
Pia.
Ma'am, ikaw na ma'am. Kanina pa ako naghintay sa iyo.
Hi, sir. Sir, you mentioned that you are not faulting Palace spokesman Salvador Panelo for referring the...
For doing the right thing.
Okay.
I cannot sanction anybody here.